Good evening all, welcome to Magnum Honda. I would like to call Dr. MP Shyam to address the event.
Good evening to all ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of all my colleagues from Magnum Honda, I take great pleasure in welcoming you all to the digital launch of the all-new 5th generation Honda City. Magnum Honda commenced its operations in 2008 June when the 3rd generation Honda City was sold. We have now become one of the largest selling dealers in South India and also become one of the top 10 dealers in India. This was possible because of the continuous patronage and best wishes of all our customers, business partners, finance companies, insurance companies, and my team, which has exhibited an undying spirit to serve customers both in sales and service. Again, thank you all for joining us in unveiling of the legendary Honda City. The Honda City has been there for more than 2 decades and has always proven its luxury and comfort. The Honda City has been the most spacious sedan in its segment, a car that sets the game for everyone to play. The 5th generation all-new Honda City has been expanded to make it the longest and the widest sedan in its segment. And we would like to announce that the Super Messi has arrived. Thank you so much for all your active participation. My colleagues will take you through the salient features of the new Honda City post the unveiling ceremony. Thank you.
Now the time of unveiling the legendary 5th generation Honda City has arrived. I request Dr. MP Shyam, the Managing Director of Magnum Honda, and Avinash N, Executive Director of Magnum Honda, to come and do the honors. Please welcome Mr. Avinash N and Dr. MP Shyam.
Now I would like to call Vice President Mr. Adarsh San for Honda City 5th generation demo.
Hi, Namaste. Happy evening to all. We are gathered here to launch our 5th generation Honda City, the legendary car which has been made a lot of accolades for its car design and the comfort and convenience. This car design is inspired by our ancient samurai weapon called Katana Sword. Honda City is known for its space and comfort, and Honda has come out with more wider and lengthier car, giving a luxurious car for our customers. Honda's ideology of man maximum and machine minimum is here for all to see. The new Honda City comes with advanced features and smart and powerful technologies for a customer like you. Who doesn't want convenience? Honda City has lot to pamper for you. It's got Alexa remote capability, which is the first in the car to come in the whole of industry. It's got remote engine start, it's got remote power windows and sunroof for opening and closing. It's got lane watch camera so that you don't have to turn your head to turn your left onto the car. It's also got automatic headlight controller, which could turn on the lights in the dark space where you get into, like a basement or to enter the car park. To add to that, the dashboard is decorated with 7-inch HD color TFT meter, giving you all readings including the G meter, which is newly introduced, which shows the direction of acceleration of the car. Safety is an utmost important attribute to the car because a family drives in it. It's got this fifth generation car comes with Asian NCAP crash test as a 5-star rating. And also to safeguard your car, we have walk-away auto-lock sensors which could lock the car as you walk away from the car. It's also got vehicle stability assist and agile handling assist to assist you in a drive, and you're increasing your drive performance. And also to assist your driving, it has got hill start assist, which holds the brake for a few seconds and allows you to move the car without the car backing up. It's also got tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, to show the pressure of the tire so that you can monitor your pressure and know that if the car is to be inflated. It's also got 6 airbags to protect your family. And to give our customer peace of mind, Honda City comes with 3-year unlimited warranty and 3-year Honda maintenance plan. And again, we're super excited to launch this 5th generation car, and I would love to look around the car for you to view. Thank you so much. And as the Honda ideology goes, man maximum, machine minimum, it's got a lot of space. It's got huge leg room, it's got a rear AC vent, it's got a handrest, it's got a grab handle, it's got a lot of shoulder space. The headroom is fantastic, and Honda has got a lot of things to pamper as a customer. And I surely am nearly a 5'11". I can enjoy my drive sitting comfortably without creating trouble to any of the passengers in the car. I want you to come have a look at the car and enjoy the drive. I thank you all for watching us go live in unveiling the car. I hope you like the features of the car and got through the details of all the features which we have to offer to you. And I would like to thank our director Dr. MP Shyam, our executive director Avinash N, and all the team who has participated in this activity, and for all the people who have logged in to see this unveil. And I would also take this opportunity to inform that all the steps have been taken to sanitize, to fumigate our facility, to welcome all the customers, and we also ensure that we monitor the appointments so that the showroom is not crowded with people. You can call us on any of the contact numbers which is shared, so that you can know about how many people are there in the showroom, so that you don't be and you and your family is not put into any kind of inconvenience. And again, thank you for watching us, and I hope you like the car and inquire with us for any other details today. Thank you so much, and namaskar.